Oh God, I've gone and bought a bloody Christmas tree. I think I had the wrong bottom. Oh crap. Honestly, it doesn't get much merrier than this. Look at this. It's not Christmas without a good old chocolate log. Hold on, tree. Oh! So, before we go on tonight's stealth camp, I need to address the issue of these curtains. I'm literally like a poor man's foresty forest. But I kind of love it because this will do the trick. Well, we're not going to be staying at home base tonight. We're going to be heading back to Asda, which is where I stayed this time last year for a Christmas stealth camp in my Ford Galaxy. And I thought, why not reminisce and let's go back, but see if we can do it even better and in the new van. Before we head off, I actually want to test these lights to see if they work. Is that Christmassy? Let's hope so. That's pretty cool. Right. We're going to head to tonight's stealth camp spot, which, as I said, is Asda. And then after that, we'll set this up, go in, grab some dinner, get the Christmas festivities on the go, and have a good old night stealth camping.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Rocking around the Christmas tree. I gave you my heart.
Oh, Asda. How I've missed you, my friend. First things first, we're going to do a bit of a recce and try and find the best place to park up for tonight. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Welcome to home for the night. So, for the time being, I've come back as far back into the car park as I can because, to be honest with you, all of the middle sections are fairly busy. Time to get all these windows covered up, get stealth mode activated, and then we can crack on, get some Christmas lights installed, because for the current moment, everybody that drives by will be able to see in here. And then we'll head into Asda, grab some food to cook tonight, and no, it's not going to be turkey. Haha, goodbye to the outside world. Hasta luego, everybody. Hasta luego. These curtains that you saw me making earlier are literally exactly the same as these ones that I use for the front. However, they're just a different colour. But it's going to be 100 times better than the ones I was using previously. Temperature-wise, take a look at this. 0 degrees. So this is by far the coldest night that I will have done in the van in a long, long time. I like it in this cab area. It's very cool. It's like coming into Narnia. Or it will be later anyway. That's the plan. Oh God, I've gone and bought a bloody Christmas tree. The first ever Christmas tree I've bought in my life, and I've bought it for the van. I could not resist. When I saw it was on sale for £25 down from 50, I thought I've got to get it. I just had to. Well, this has just ramped things up another level in here. I also went and picked up the ingredients for tonight's dinner, and as I said, it wouldn't be a Christmas video with me if I wasn't cooking good old chicken fajitas. I think it's time though I start to decorate this place and get things looking a little bit more festive in here. I can't believe that. That is absolutely brilliant. The problem is trying to figure out where it's going to go. I think it's going to have to go right there in that corner. Oh my God. What? If I've built a van, or semi-built a van, you'd like to think I should be able to do this. Oh, how do I get the thing down? Do I just pull it down? I've never bought a real Christmas tree, let alone a fake one as well. How bloody big is this thing? Oh! I think I had the wrong bottom. Oh, crap. Hope I've not just broken that. There we go. I had the wrong basin. Oh my God, it's come off. It's broken already. Oh, you're joking. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was. Right, we're all connected. Let's fire this thing up and see what it looks like. Oh my God, that is absolutely horrendous. I cannot believe it. I've got a Christmas tree inside the van. Wow, look at that. It is much bigger than I expected it to be, and there's just crap absolutely everywhere on the floor. I have no idea where I'm going to cook now. I'm going to have to put the table here. Look at that.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant.
Oh God, oh God, I need to get a life.
Behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of
Honestly, it doesn't get much merrier than this. Look at this. Ho ho ho, Merry bloody Christmas everybody. What the hell has happened here? This has literally turned into Santa's erotic stealth van. Oh my God, it looks absolutely brilliant. I really need to get a life, but this is absolutely brilliant. I was not in the Christmas spirit at all, but now I can say I'm feeling very, very Christmassy. It doesn't get much better than this, does it? Right, I am starving. It's time to cook some Christmas chicken fajitas.
born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. All ye faithful, joyful and triumphant.
Chicken fajitas on the go, Christmas tree up, Christmas lights all on the ceiling. If this video doesn't make you happy or put a smile on your face, then quite frankly, I don't know what will. They taste as good as ever. Once again, a big Merry Christmas to absolutely everybody who's watching this. 2021, let's be honest, it's been a crap year for absolutely everybody. Hopefully this video puts a big smile on your face, because it's all about not taking life too serious and just enjoying things and just having fun. A massive thank you to everybody who supported me this year, because 2021 was a big year for this YouTube channel and for myself, because somehow doing stupid things like this, you guys seem to love it and enjoy it, and the channel has continued to grow. And who knows where the hell it can go in the future. I have no plans, no ideas. I'm just continuously going with the flow and seeing where life takes me and just trying to enjoy the moment. Sorry, I was done with the cringy talk for a few seconds there, but then it just made me realise, excuse me, Christ. 2021 has been a crap year for so many people out there, for the reason which we all know why. And if anything, I think it should have taught a lot of people to not hang around in life and just to get out there, and if you want to do something, then do it. Don't waste time, because you never know what's around the corner. You'll never know when the right time to do that specific thing you've always wanted to do is, but trust me, just go out there and do it while you can. Okay, that's enough of the Gandhi talk. Sorry about that, but here's another heater. Well, it's not Christmas without a good old chocolate log. Hopefully I'm not laying my own chocolate log a little bit later, but I guess only time will tell. Hopefully that chicken was cooked. This, who wants the end piece? Nobody wants the end piece. You guys can have the end piece, sorry. I want the middle piece. Oh, bollocks. Let's have a look what the outside world is looking like. We got a bloke there who's putting in his turkey in the back of his car, or sorry, female, I do apologise. The rest of the Asda car park's looking pretty quiet. It's about 9 o'clock now, and this closes at midnight. So I've got a few hours to chill inside Santa's grotto and then head off to bed. One thing I haven't checked, and completely forgot to check, was the parking signs. So let's stick this back up and go and see what the parking restrictions are. I'm assuming it's like it usually is in supermarkets, which is if you stay over 3 hours, then you get a £70 fine. But so far, on every single video that I have stayed in a supermarket, which must be about 5 or 6 now, 5 or 6 different supermarkets, I have never once had a fine. You know what? I cannot see a single parking sign. I would be shocked if there wasn't something telling you that you can't stay more than 3 hours. But there is not a single sign so far. Back into Santa's grotto. That is strange. That is the first supermarket car park. God, it absolutely stinks of chicken fajitas in here. The first supermarket car park where I have not seen any parking restrictions whatsoever. I tell you what, without this diesel heater, it would not be very fun in here. That isn't the time, by the way. The time is completely wrong on the diesel heater. It's actually 10 to 11. I've just whacked the diesel heater on full blast to get this nice and warm, because I'm going to head off to bed in a second. One thing I've noticed, might be a stupid thing to say, but the air rising up is quite warm, but the floor is absolutely freezing. If anybody has any tips and suggestions on, a bit of a stupid thing to say, but how to get the floor warm. It is pretty noisy, not just with the diesel heater, but also the road just over there. So I don't know how well I'm going to sleep, to be honest. I'm definitely not going to sleep with this diesel heater on, because you can hear the ticking sound and the fan pushing all the hot air out. I have actually just read a lot of your comments in my last stealth camp video, and a lot of you suggested that I installed the diesel pump under the van. So I may just do that if I can find the willpower to do any more work on this diesel heater. But the reason I installed it the way that I did this time was just to get it up and running, because I had so many bloody problems with it. I'm going to head off to bed, hopefully get a good night's sleep. Christmas lights still on. I'll turn this off now. But as always, I will catch you guys in the morning. Good night. I've determined this main road noise is too noisy, so I'm going to see if I can go and park somewhere else. I'm going to try and move over there just to be another 20 yards or so away from the main road. Yes, I'm in my pants and socks. Right, I've moved spots. Before I was just over there. Now I'm here, so let's hope it's a little bit quieter, because it was really noisy over there. Right, see you in the morning again. Oh no. Good morning. I'm still in Asda car park. I've just tried to fire up the diesel heater. You won't believe it. I've got another error message. Error 10 has just fired up. Why? I started it first thing this morning because I actually woke up at 9 o'clock because it was freezing. I didn't have it on overnight because of the ticking sound. And I fired it up straight away when I woke up, and I thought it sounded a bit funny. The diesel pump sounded like it was ticking a lot heavier than usual, and when it was actually pushing out the air, it just sounded so much louder than what it usually was. So I shut it off. I checked outside to see that everything was clear. I've just fired it back up, and now it's come up with error 10. I thought this diesel heater saga was over with, but it might not be. I don't know if it's because it's really cold and maybe something's frozen, because it still probably is about -1, 0 degrees, so maybe things have got really cold overnight, so maybe I'll try to start it back up in a second. Anyway, let me show you what Asda's looking like this morning. Ooh, good morning everybody. Definitely moving and changing position from over there to here, just being another 15 yards or 15 meters away from the main road made a big difference to the noise, because over there I stayed there for a couple of hours last night and it was so noisy, so that's why I moved over. But yeah, the Asda car park is busy this morning. Everybody panicking, getting their last minute turkeys, I would imagine. Well, sadly no pan of chocolates, so I got whatever the heck these things are called. 2 raspberry crowns. I gotta say, it's actually really annoying that heater not working, because it's so cold in here and I really wanted to just chill out in the Asda car park, have the heater on, make a hot drink and eat my breakfast. But sadly it's not to be. It is absolutely rammed inside there. The car park is so busy now. There's people just struggling to get past with their trolleys, so everybody, as I said, is doing their last minute Christmas food shop. I'm going to end the video here. The diesel heater saga continues. As painful as that is to say, I've just turned it back on just for third time lucky to see if that does anything at all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this weird and wacky Christmas stealth camp back in Asda car park. We had the Christmas tree up, we had Christmas lights, and now we have the diesel heater failure yet again. I hope you guys all had a very merry Christmas with all of your families and friends. There's going to be plenty more videos from me to come in the future, so as always, let me know in the comments what you want to see me do next, whether it's the van build, whether it's more stealth camps, or the long-term plan and the future is to head out into Europe in this van, but with that disease that shall not be named coming back into life and making things a little bit difficult, especially for travel again. We'll have to wait and see what happens in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Hold on, tree! Oh, timber!
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh, I forgot to say, make sure to like and subscribe, because it helps me out. Have a bloody good Christmas.